Welcome to Winmate's Automotive showroom. Leading automakers and diagnostic solution providers have adopted our rugged tablets, laptops, and panel PCs into their production line and repair workshops. Our automotive solutions provided great mobility and flexibility to their automotive workforce. Let me show you around. The increased use of electronic controllers in automobiles has created the need for portable computing systems to run repair diagnostic software. Our M133 Series ultra-rugged tablets are designed for such tasks, offering outstanding mobility by being part of the repair diagnostics toolkit. These ultra-rugged tablets come with adjustable kickstands for hands-free operations. They also come with various mounting and hand-carry accessories. For more information on our automotive solutions, check out our webinar videos and the information banner. In automobile manufacturing, our products are used to program the ECUs and run OEM software tests to ensure proper operation before an automobile is released into the market. Our new rugged laptops feature a modular design with dual batteries for extended operation. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 module offers higher data transfer rate for wireless vehicle diagnostic applications. It can be used both as a laptop and as a tablet. Our G-Win series industrial panel PCs offers crystal clear displays with a multi-touch interface convenient for manufacturing operations. Its stylish front panel is rugged and IP65 rated. More information is available here. Our diagnostic tablets come in different system configurations to suit your application needs. We also provide customizations for input ports. Here is an ultra-rugged tablet that was customized for an OEM with special connectors and also mounts onto a steering wheel. Feel free to contact us to find more information about our products.